Hello guys, good morning. Today I am gonna show you how to verify hex file is same which you have downloaded earlier in Nuvoton Microcontrollers. You can see here we have a two hex file 1 and file 2. Now open new micro ICP tool and connect this tool with the board. I have a MS51 board with me. After connecting the board, you can load hex file. Click on EPROM and select this file, open. After loaded hex file, you can download by click on start button. You can see here program flash is okay. Now how to verify file is same or not. If you want to download or select another hex file, then you can see here refresh button, click on that. After refreshing, go to onboard flash and select EPROM. You can see here there is no message because your file is not matched. Again click on EPROM and select original file which you have downloaded earlier. Open it and click on refresh button again. Go to import flash and select EPROM. Then you can see here file match which you have downloaded earlier. Thank you.